Hello and good afternoon, good morning, good day. This is Terry from Freetown Mindset. I hope we are all safe and well. This is something that's quite big. This is a new update from Instagram, and it will show you how to restore your deleted posts on Instagram. Basically how to restore your deleted reels, or how to restore your IGTV videos. So stay tuned. It's really simple. So as you can see, I'm on my profile at the moment. So all you're going to do on your profile, yeah, that's me. You'll see at the top right on screen, you'll see three horizontal lines. All we're going to do is hit those three horizontal lines. You will then come to settings, which you will see at the bottom of the screen. You'll hit settings. You can obviously go back and rewind this if I'm going too fast for you, but it is that simple. And then you will see account near the middle of the screen to the lower side. So we're going to hit on account, and we're going to scroll down, and then we're going to hit on recently deleted. And then anything that you've deleted recently will show up on there. It is literally that simple. So the process will take you a few seconds to get through this. So just walking through it one more time so it's so quick. Three horizontal lines. Bottom of the screen will be settings. Then we're going to scroll down to your accounts. And then we're going to scroll down to recently delete. And then whatever's come up on there, we can basically restore that information. Hope this has been of use. Have a great day, and I'll see you on the next video. Take care.